So this is Elaine Ulubalang, and we're going to make a website using HTML just in 5 minutes. So let's get started. So first, if you want to make a website, you should open the Notepad. Search Notepad. Then after, you should have to put the codes in the Notepad. So I'm gonna put the codes first. It will take so long because the codes are too long. Charan! So now I have done the codes. I have put the codes in the notepads. Don't worry because the code is in the description box. Then if you want to see it, then you'll see it. Then after, we're going to save the file. Save. Then name it .html. Then you should save it on all files. Then see, then save. After that, you're going to open the file. So this is the file, we're going to open it. Just wait for a second. And then here, the website is here. Then if you want to add something in the website, just edit it in your notepad. If you know some codes about HTML, you can add it here. Then you can make your own website beautifully. This is now done, and you can also add some image. If you want to know how to add some image, you just need this code, this image AMGSRC with height and align. It's up to you if you want to add some image, but it's better to have some image on websites. So good, now we're done. The website is good. To make a website. So if you want to know the codes, it is just in the description box down there. Then if you know a lot of codes, just add it in the notepad because it's the most simple way to make a website. It's only just for 5 minutes to learn it. Then if you want to add some images, just like what I said earlier, just put the code img, height, weight, and align. So I hope you understand anything. Learn something. So thank you for watching, guys. Catch you later.